Samsung is reportedly gearing up to unveil a bold new brain health feature at CES 2026 on January 6th, and it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. According to leaks, the service will track your voice, gait, and sleep patterns to detect early signs of cognitive decline. While it won't diagnose dementia, it could alert you to potential red flags to discuss with your doctor, giving users a head start on brain health. The new tool won't just watch for warning signs. It will reportedly offer improvement and prevention functions to keep your mind sharp, including brain training programs aimed at lowering the risk of dementia in the future. Think of it as a personal brain coach right in your pocket. All of this sensitive data will be protected by Samsung Knox security and stored locally, not in the cloud, so users can breathe a little easier about privacy. The system is expected to integrate with Samsung Health, giving your phone and wearable devices a bigger role in tracking your overall well-being. Dementia affects millions worldwide, and brain health could be a game changer for early detection and prevention. Imagine your smartwatch reminding you to do a quick brain exercise or alerting you if something seems off, all without ever stepping foot in a clinic. Samsung hasn't shared full details yet, but CES 2026 will likely answer all our questions, from exact features to availability. For now, your smartphone may soon be looking out for your brain as much as your heart. Will it be useful? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Samsung's going all out with its AI game, not just to let you take cooler pictures and be witty in text, but it's gearing up to become your personal wellness assistant to help you understand your body and mind. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Introducing the Samsung Health Assistant, a new AI-powered feature which is still in test mode, but it is aiming at becoming your personalized wellness guide. Unlike generic fitness apps, this assistant isn't just about tracking your steps or water intake. It's trained on your real health data like sleep patterns, activity, stress levels, nutrition, and it even has an energy score. According to reports, users can chat directly with the health assistant, and it will respond based on your chat history and wellness. So if you've been having difficult time sleeping at night, this AI might make some suggestions in bedtime routine or your bedroom setup. Want to build more upper body strength? It can recommend specific workouts, but importantly, Samsung isn't pitching it as a medical tool. It's a guide, not a doctor. Samsung's been approaching the health tech game differently than others. The company recently launched the Find Care feature in Samsung Health, which offers virtual doctor visits with chat follow-ups, and it even deals prescriptions and health records with Walgreens integration. Samsung's doing everything to turn its phones into health centers. The health assistant is powered by Galaxy AI, the same on-device intelligence driving Samsung's photo and productivity tools. It's another move in Samsung's broader AI push, which also includes Gallery Assistant, an AI editing helper currently in beta on Galaxy S25, Flip 7, and Fold 7 devices. All in all, Samsung wants your phone to not just track your health, but to actively help you improve it. Do you think this feature will be helpful? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Imagine controlling a clunky robot with your brain. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, Neuralink says it's almost here, and Elon Musk's Optimus might be along for the ride. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Neuralink's head of surgery, Danish Hassan, said on X that their tech is literally just out here helping the homies eat pretzels, referencing a video of a man seemingly operating a robotic arm via telepathy. Fans quickly jumped in asking why Optimus V2 isn't training with it, and Hassan said, "We're starting simple, but this will happen very soon." That's where the excitement peaked with reality. Tesla's Optimus robots are famously awkward as they shuffle, struggle to talk in full sentences, and are far from ready to take orders from a human brain. However, Neuralink itself isn't perfect either. Out of 12 human test subjects, early results have been mixed. The first patient reported that his device didn't work so well anymore after just a few months. Despite the hype, Musk has a history of overhyping things. He recently claimed Optimus would make 80% of Tesla's value, which was an eyebrow-raising prediction if we look at the robot's ongoing performance struggles. The idea of merging Neuralink's brain interface tech with a humanoid robot may be thrilling, but the reality is likely years away. For now, Neuralink fans can dream of a future where mind and machine sync perfectly. Elon Musk may be selling the fantasy, but anyone expecting flawless telepathic robot control anytime soon is probably being delulu. What are you gonna do if you could control a robot with your mind? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Apple could be about to turn your iPhone into a mini doctor and charge you for the privilege. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. According to top insider Mark Gurman, Apple's reportedly cooking up a health-focused AI chatbot set to launch as part of a renovated Health Plus subscription that could drop as soon as next year. It'll be an AI agent that helps manage your health from metrics to daily wellness guidance. Gurman calls it a revamped health app with a new Health Plus service, hinting that Apple wants to become a front-runner in the health AI space. If it works, Apple could join the ranks of tech companies using AI to guide users through everything from sleep tracking to workout optimization, while adding another subscription fee to your monthly bills. But will it actually be worth it? Right now, Apple's AI efforts, including Siri, have clearly struggled to impress. Meanwhile, other wearable tech like Whoop and Aura already include AI chatbots in their health subscriptions, but in reality, they often feel more gimmicky than helpful. Most of the time, these bots just redirect information you already have access to, basically making it a fancy search dressed up as AI advice. For Apple to justify a Health Plus subscription, its AI doctor will need to be smarter, faster, and genuinely more useful than anything currently on the market. Otherwise, it'll just be another glossy add-on meant to make the Apple Watch look smarter than it really is. Users won't pay for bluff, and Apple knows it. Now the question is whether this AI health chatbot can actually deliver meaningful guidance, or if it's just another high-tech emptiness with a hefty price tag. Will you be getting Health Plus subscription? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Just when it seemed like Apple had maxed out what a wearable could do for health, the company unveiled 3 major features that pushed the limits once again, especially for women's health, fitness tracking, and overall wellness. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Do you know the Apple Watch can now detect signs of high blood pressure? This new possible hypertension alert doesn't give you readings or diagnose you, but it acts as a powerful early warning. Considering how often high blood pressure goes unnoticed, particularly in women, this could help catch issues before they even escalate. It's supported on Apple Watch Series 9 and newer, with FDA clearance still in the works. On the other hand, Apple is also turning sleep tracking into something more meaningful. With the new sleep score feature, your watch goes beyond tracking how long you were asleep. It now analyzes sleep quality based on consistency, bedtime habits, and restlessness. No recommendations or coaching, just clean data that gives you a better sense of how good your rest really was. The feature will be available on all Apple Watches Series 6 and up running watchOS 26. And finally, Apple is taking fitness tracking out of the wrist and into your ears. The AirPods Pro 3 now include in-ear heart rate sensors, giving users accurate heart rate and calorie data even if you aren't wearing a watch. New sensor works like magic with the fitness app. And for high-intensity workouts, perfect! These new AirPods also feature a more secure fit, better battery life, and significantly stronger noise cancellation. These aren't just flashy updates. They show that Apple's still serious about making tech that does more than just sit pretty on your wrist or ears. That was all about Apple's latest gadgets. Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.